Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a stunning modern luxury home designed in a bold gray and red color theme that makes it stand out the moment you see it. From the very first drone day view shots, you can appreciate the clean architectural lines, the massive glass panels, the striking red accents, and the beautifully landscaped surroundings that give this home a futuristic yet elegant identity. This is a residence created for those who value modern living at its highest level. As we move closer to the entrance, the dramatic exterior design becomes even more impressive. The combination of gray stone walls and red highlight panels creates a powerful visual contrast. Wide marble steps lead you to an oversized contemporary door, warmly lit by soft exterior lighting. The moment you step inside, a spacious and airy foyer welcomes you, setting the tone for the entire home. The interior is clean, minimal, and designed with pure sophistication. From the foyer, we transition into the living room, a space that blends comfort with modern style. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows fill the room with natural sunlight and provide beautiful views of the outdoors. The gray interior palette keeps the space calm and balanced, while the subtle red accent decor adds personality and character. Soft lighting, premium furniture, and an open-concept layout turn this living room into the perfect place for relaxation, conversation, or entertaining guests. It is the heart of the home, radiating elegance and warmth. Next, we explore the garage, and this is far from an ordinary parking space. Designed like a luxury car gallery, the garage features gray walls, red LED strip lighting, polished flooring, and sleek modern cabinetry. The space feels futuristic, organized, and visually striking. It's the kind of garage that car enthusiasts dream of: clean, stylish, and purposefully crafted for both aesthetics and functionality. We then enter the chef's kitchen, one of the major highlights of this home. This kitchen showcases modern minimalism at its best with gray cabinets, red accent trims, a polished marble island, and high-end stainless steel appliances. The lighting is soft and well-placed, making the space bright and inviting. Whether you love cooking or enjoy hosting friends and family, this kitchen elevates everyday moments into something extraordinary. It's beautifully designed and highly practical at the same time. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. A stylish wooden dining table sits beneath a contemporary chandelier, and natural sunlight pours through the open windows, giving the room a fresh and elegant feel. The gray and red color theme continues here as well, making the dining area both cozy and luxurious. Whether it's a casual family breakfast or a formal dinner, this space is designed to create memorable moments. Now we head to the master bedroom, a peaceful retreat crafted for comfort. The gray walls create a soothing backdrop, while the red cushions and throws bring the room to life with warmth and energy. Soft, ambient lighting adds to the relaxing atmosphere, and large windows make the room feel open, airy, and connected to the outdoors. It's the perfect space to unwind, recharge, and enjoy quiet moments. Attached to the bedroom is a spa-style luxury bathroom that gives you a resort-like feel right at home. Gray marble walls and subtle red LED highlights create a calm, elegant environment. A freestanding soaking tub sits beautifully in the center, paired with a glass-enclosed shower and modern high-quality fixtures. This bathroom is all about comfort and luxury, offering a personal sanctuary designed for relaxation. Next, we step into the TV lounge, where entertainment meets comfort. The room features plush seating, acoustic wall panels, soft red ambient lighting, and a large flat display perfect for movie nights or gaming sessions. The cozy yet high-end design makes it a perfect space for enjoying time with family and friends. Heading outdoors, we arrive at the swimming pool area, a true resort-style escape. The gray stone deck and red exterior accents keep the home's overall design theme consistent. Crystal clear water, modern outdoor seating, and tropical greenery give this pool area a refreshing and luxurious atmosphere. Whether you want to relax on a sunny afternoon or enjoy a nighttime swim, this outdoor space is designed for pure enjoyment. The home also features a beautifully designed gym. With gray walls, red lighting accents, large mirrors, and modern workout equipment, this gym feels energetic and motivating. It's the perfect place to stay fit and maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving home. Finally, as we take a look at the night view, the home transforms into a cinematic masterpiece. Soft red architectural lighting glows against the gray exterior, giving the house an elegant, dramatic presence after sunset. Day or night, this modern mansion stands out as a bold and beautiful work of art. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour here on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed the walkthrough, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new mansion tour.